we pass tomorrow the correct manuscript. Thank you. So the title of our research study is Utilization of Letter Tracing System, Guide for Writing Skills of Young Learners. So our leader is Jim Clyde Tuburan, and together with his member, Orata Irish, Rico Nicole, Tesoro Dayan, William Moore Eliza, Serapio Glaze Ann, and yours truly, Labian Juliper. So here is our chapter 1. Next. So the background of our study aims to identify practical strategies to enhance young learners' writing skills, aligning with UN's Sustainable Development Goal or SDG number 4, which advocates for high-quality educations for all learners. So, letter tracing system offer a promising solution to enhance handwriting skills in the Philippines, where traditional instruction methods and limited exposure to early literacy activities have contributed to poor handwriting skills among young learners. So here is our 3 SOP or the statement of the problem. So first is, what is the level of writing skills of kindergarten learners before using tracing letter system in young learners? Second is, what is the level of writing skills of kindergarten learners after using the tracing letter system in young learners? And the last is there a significant difference in the level of writing skills of kindergarten learners before and after using the tracing letter system?
So our theoretical and conceptual framework is, we use the theory of Vygotsky social learning theory, that is support that it is not notable for focusing on what the child can do, while also suggesting that a child learning is supported when the right amount of instruction is provided and at the right time. So Vygotsky social learning theory is also supported by another theory that we searched, the theory of Marie Clay, the emergent literary theory developed by Marie Clay at the first presented in New Zealand in 1966, acknowledged a direct connection between the instructional scaffolding teacher used to support young learners in developing spoken language, reading, and writing abilities. So our conceptual framework is the input, performance level of the learner using the intervention, the process, letter tracing method, and data collection, and the output is improved writing skills. And our significance of the study, the action research study has important ramification for the range of parties, including educators, students, and aspiring researchers. So our significance of the study are the young learners, teacher, and the future researchers.
So for the limitation of the study, so our action research study involved kindergarten learners from selected kindergarten schools in Talisay City with 3 male and 1 female learners, and will meet twice a week on Mondays and Wednesdays. So for our definition of terms, there were several terms used in this study. So these terms were defined conceptually and operationally: utilization, writing, skills, tracing letters, learners, and guide. And for our chapter 2, RRL or review of related literature, letter tracing can enhance young learners' writing skills. This review examines the effectiveness of traditional and digital tracing methods on various aspects of writing, including motor skills, handwriting development, and letter recognition. It also explores the impact of tracing on Filipino kindergarten learners. Writing proficiency and accuracy. Repetitive tracing can boast handwriting speed and fluency by automating letter formation. However, it's best combined with diverse exercises for overall motor skill development. Effective teaching involves understanding student, creating engaging development lesson, and using peer feedback. Handwriting success requires more than accuracy. It includes legibility, speed, and fluency. Strategies like explicit instruction, practice, and technology can enhance learning. Ultimately, a balance of tracing, skill teaching, and comprehensive instruction is key to excellent handwriting.
Next is young learners. Young learners' handwriting skills. Handwriting is essential for academic success and personal expression. Difficulties can arise from factors like poor motor skills, visual perception issues, and language challenges. Developing the fine motor skills, spatial awareness, and cognitive abilities is crucial for effective handwriting. For the instructional method for writing, effective writing instruction requires a multifaceted approach. Research highlights the importance of clear teaching objectives, modeling, practice, and feedback. For young learners, leading tracing, emergent literacy, and a positive environment are crucial. For young learners, writing is fundamental for young learners. It fosters literacy, communication, and critical thinking. Engaging writing activities and supportive environments are key to success. Fine motor skills are essential for handwriting and can be improved through tracing exercises. For the writing systems have evolved significantly since their inception, transitioning from simple symbols to complex representations of language. These systems are crucial for literacy development and cognitive processes. Effective implementation of letter tracing system requires parental and educator involvement.
So for our chapter 3, the methodology. So for the design, we have action research, local. We have kindergarten learners as participants from selected kindergarten schools here in Talisay City enrolled in the school year 2023 to 2024. So this study will involve 3 male and 1 female from selected kindergarten schools here in Talisay. And for this study will use the Loesche content validity ratio of 4 participants employing and purposive sampling technique. For our chapter 4, the result and discussion. So the table 1 about the level of writing skills of kindergarten learners before the intervention. So our post test, the mean is about 9.75 and our interpretation is good. So the table 1 shows that the previous work of the students, that their writings are not well developed, and also according to their teacher, she find difficulty to understand her students' handwriting when they have activity in writing. And some also struggle to hold a pencil correctly and to recognize alphabet, which makes it challenging to teach them how to write.
Pigit ka mo, choppy. Yes, go to the tooth, especially sa last part.
Last part.
Dili man sakon.
Asa
Kay Ebida.
Anyways, thank you so much, Thesaurus Group. Can you just go back to your first line ng siguro?
Live first line. Oh my gosh.
Sige, thank you so much. At this time, let's hear comments from our panelists. Let's hear from Ms. Stretch. Stretch off.
Okay, good afternoon. Hindi ko na mag-congratulations I know nga may mga inputs na kamo from Miss Kane kay daw na go over ni Miss Kane yesterday na because nahatag yung kay Miss Kane earlier. Okay, so let me start with with our SOP. Here you state what is the level of writing skill of kindergarten learners before using the tracing letter system in young learners. Nga, what do you need to include in young learners? You need to omit that 3 words.
Why?
Kaya may kindergarten learners na kamo sa babaw, then you make use pagit sa young learners sa ikatatlo. Sa last part. So again, it should be what is the level of writing skills of kindergarten learners before using or before the intervention. Pwede lang yun na pwede man. Sige, kagin-state nyo ginang inyong nga tool, di pwede man. Okay, before, good afternoon. For using the tracing letter system. Same with number 2. Okay, so wala ka mo sa quali. Wanted tanan. Did you conduct an interview? Kaya sa inyo, triangulation, pero ano to rin mo na, di ba ito na yun? I don't know kung may interview.
Yes,
Okay,
miss.
wala.
Yes, miss.
May anak ka mo interview?
Yes, miss.
May nakita ko, di ba mo interview man ka mo, dere.
Yes, miss.
Okay. So that di na siya ma-appear. Pwede nyo na lang daw siguro ma-fuse ang 1 and 2.
Pwede na-fuse.
Miss Kane? What is the level? Ma'am? Pwede ang 1 and 2 i-fuse para may number 3 sila karon about the...
Yes, ako nga ginamba ko sa inyo, lang kadapan dahil nga mga insights ninyo during the interview. So you can create insights or you can, I'm going to read ha? I'm going to read, you can use this one or you can revise. You can put in there, what insights can be gained from the experiences, interaction, and behavioral manifestation of pre-kindergarten learners before, during, and after the intervention.
Kaya makakuha ka muna data from the parents and the teachers. Kagka mo man mismo as observers. Okay?
Okay, miss.
So you have 1 and diffuse. Kag number 3 will be your number 2. And the last is the insights because you conducted an interview man. Kag ito, hindi ko ka-intindi. Diri sang pag-decode nyo sa mga interviews ninyo. Amo ni ang hindi na lang. Daw nag-text ka mo, no? Daw nag-chat. Although nag-text na lang sila miskin, no? You have to reflect with some exact word. Kung nagsili sila nga hindi, ang hindi ay NDI, gid ha? Siyempre, karoon na lang na siya.
Ang verbatim statement, ma'am.
Oo. Hindi nyo pag-ipang cut down.
Okay, miss. Yes, miss.
Then, ang sa ilag lang nga diagram di Miss Kane ho,
Diagram.
Sir RJ. I think the input should be,
Sa actual.
Page, wala man ka mo di page number. Dalom sa conceptual framework, no? Using intervention na.
Yes,
Ang
miss.
letter tracing is your intervention. Okay? So it should be, ang input could be their pre-test
Pretest in.
and then conducted the intervention. And then the output will be your post-test. Check nyo na.
Miss.
Young learners, teachers, future researchers. Okay. Ang diribalanak sa mga limitations, sa delimitations of the study, may na-mention kung mo diri 22. Out of 22, diri ka mo nag-conduct pretest, and then out of 22, you were able to identify only 4.
Yes, miss.
State yung karon na sa participants, yung sa participants of the study, discuss nyo gid kung paano inadira. Ha? May 20 muna di siya, ha? Kung over nyo ni, ha?
Miss.
This
Okay,
paper, tracing, writing proficiency. May mga proficiency pa ka mo di, ha? You don't need utilization. Writing skills. May writing skills kita diri. Writing lang. Writing skills mas namin pagyan.
Writing skills.
State nyo ba na guys, in the limitation, siya guys, hindi amo ni ha. This research is only limited to the conduct of anong intervention to the following students or the following blah blah blah. Sa ibutan nyo local of the study ninyo, one of the school, kumbaga, amo na ginang to scope, ang limitation niya pala, scope niya dira lang. The study is conducted only using kung ano lang in intervention.
The tool that you use.
No variation sa conduct. Tanya na siya sa mga limitation ng to study.
Okay.
6 weeks on intervention, 8 weeks on the intervention.
Liwatong git.
Yes.
Okay, so mga terms nyo diri pala, kuhain na lang na din ang writing skills. Wala na din si proficiency, Miss Kay, di ba? Using letter, learners, graphic. Go over this one, ha?
Yes,
Katapos, kadamos, ang mga typographical error. Ang mga review of relator literature, letter tracing. Pasensya na, ha, kay gabasa pa ko at liwat kay writing proficiency and accuracy. Kaya include yung si writing proficiency and accuracy. Sa ano nangyari, kung ka daycare, I don't know kung ano na sa accurate na ni sila. Kabunday itugang, no? Wait lang. Kalawig, isang iba nyo doing ang mga literature, tani, kwao nilang pala inang daw kakwan lang. Instructional method for writing. Focus lang mostly gid sa tracing sang letters, kay amo ni siyang inyo nga study. Writing skills. May writing skills sa tanong. Balikin nyo to sa topics nyo sa inyo, L. RL nyo to pala mga topics to. Essential na ha, type lang sagad ka kung wala chimpo mag-ukay. Letter tracing, may writing skills.
Writing.
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Okay, sige. Sige. So, may ara, gihapon ka mo nang naka-past naka-kuan pa, present form.
Yes, miss.
Oo, may mga future, may will pa. No? When you reflected here the name of the school, dapat hindi mo pag-ibutang. Okay? Tama ko, di sa ipakot. Pero just check lang, balik ko, ano di sa ako, kaya kadamo ko, ipakot. Ha?
Okay,
Yes, my miss.
Ang isa ko pagin mahambal is dapat kung anong ginambal sa mga tao, ang pag-interview niyo is i-reflect yung gidira. Nasa chapter 4 kita, ibog ni ang ulo ko. Where did you get this interpretation nga good and outstanding? May basihan ka mo dire, may basihan ka mo, why did you come up with this interpretation? Kaya ginapangita ko diri ho, wala man. Mga mo di table for this one. Ano din basihan nyo sa good and outstanding?
Montretch,
Yes.
may ara na sila range interpretation sa ilang amin. May pakita na sila sa akon.
Sabihin,
Bali, agin pasa nila sa statistician, nasa may good na siya, kag may mis trends kay, pero ginapangitaan, kung man sila sa source kung di nila nakuha. No,
i-reflect nyo dire para maintindihan natin.
Okay, miss.
hindi ba nga interview, ni bala English, kid ho, verbatim na ha.
Ang magpilit mo na dire nila, hindi ko intindi. Kung ano hindi pang text nga pag-plastar. Nakahiligay nung nakita bala, isi-ising VM na kita, pero doon sa right terms na
English.
mga English, book ni Vijaya pero kung hiligay nun, i-plus na yung insakto. Ang
Okay, miss.
preparation, yun yung naghalin si preparation and implementation. Sa resource and the discussion nga, may preparation and implementation at teamwork tasks.
Next.
Or sa dire sa mga inyo pagdikod sa pang interview nyo nga mga tao, nasit support sa inyo nga kwan, sa inyong interview. And we have learned attention equals motivation. Sige.
Verbatim.
Nakuha, yun yung papel sa ako, kaya para may kuris-kuris. Ha?
Okay.
Okay, summary.
Yes, miss.
Sige. Wala pa pala Rio ang inyo nga font.
Stretch,
Yes, yo.
tapos ka na?
Ah,
Sorry, kay medyo hindi ba tiyon, hindi kami kira, di gani.
ha, 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 ha.
Nagkawot, hindi ako ba't ano ko kayo, sinuputan ko na nga ako na bibig sa speaker, sa wala mo ko kabalo kung di na speaker, kasi okay, so balik na nanay, sa inyo nga statement of the problem. Same din siya dayan, sige pa-check mo sa akong gapon.
Yan.
Mga mamati.
Ang statement of the problem is sa manuscript. Yes, miss. Same sa miss.
What is the level of writing skills of kindergarten learners before using the tracing letter in young learners? Wala nang in young learners, ha?
Yes, miss. Thank you,
Okay,
miss.
so next. Okay, Ma'am Tretch, kanina ka one-on-one, kag face-to-face feedback na ko ni sa ila kagapon.
Ha.
So, kailangan lang nila damo i-refine sa ila, especially sa data triangulation nila, sa ila limitation of the study, dapat may tapos yung ethical consideration, dapat may ara ka mo assent form, consent form, kaya syempre may parents, no? Tapos ang clearly stated in ang inyo na inclusion criteria. Kasi nakubitbak na ko ni sa ina kagapon, Sir RJ.
Oo.
Yeah.
Tagang manuscript nila nga may correction ko, ara naman na sa ila.
Yes, miss.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, miss.
So, damo. Sila, ang lubrahon, Miss Kay, no?
Ma'am?
Namo-damo, sila ang lubrahon.
Oo, ma'am. As in. Pero sige lang, kaya na nila.
Oo, kaya.
Sige.
May mga COVID nga question, especially sa pag-state niya sa inyong results. Ang mo to ginamba kasi inyo ang source sa interpretation ninyo sa inyong range, sa level. Kailangan nyo rin ma-identify kung sa inyo ito buha. Is it standardized? Was validated? Ano yung gamit niya? Tadal, laushe na siya ham. So,
Alam, sige kapit nila, Miss J. Kay.
ang balman nila? Laushe again man to?
Oo, may kahuuhaw.
Actually, hindi naman din ang laushe. Kaya diri kay mga tracing na dira pwede na diya good and skates mo kay face validity and all. Kaya syempre, hindi man na siya pag sa content yet. Kaya matrace-trace lang mo.
Oo, skill.
So, good and skates can be used sa mga. Sige lang kung ano lang gid man, just present to me the correction nga ara sa pipil na ginamba ko sa inyo, then we can check it again.
Okay,
Oo, you
miss.
can get also copy of your paper sa akon kay may mga sulat-sulat ako diri ha.
Yes, miss. Thank you, miss. Sir, wala ka tingaw, sir.
Hello?
Choppy ka, sir. Oh my God.
Nakikita ako signal, please sir. There. Matiwan ako?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Medyo mahina. Di ako niya, no? Internet connection. But anyways, thank you so much, panel members, Miss Stretch and Miss Kane. Hindi na pag hindi sila bala. Pero thank you, Mangyapon, because of their support. Well, before we end, any comments from the group?
Comment from the
No, sorry, no comments. Any last words? Joke lang.
Thank you.
Okay. Well, I think everything is clear already. Once again, thank you, Miss Kane. Thank you, Miss Stretch. Just take note that you need to comply again. You process your compliance score, and as soon as possible, para at least dasig man natin ma-produce ang inyong dasig man natin ma-process ang inyong grado for this subject. Any questions from the group?
None,
Before you
sir.
get? Yeah, thank you so much. Miss Stretch, kabala ko sa ako again. Thank you again. Thank you so much.
Si Miss Kani. Oo. Sige,
Thank you, miss. Thank you, Miss Kane.
Okay, thank you again.
so much.
Thank you! Congrats!
Kaya.
Maria, tayo na to, sir.
Naiyaten na kami da, sir. Sir, naiyaten na sila ko na, sir.
Picture.
Paano pag... Ari,
Wait, ako ko sa-
Okay. Ako na. Wait lang din, sir. What's...
Tapos may naman akong trace. Hindi ko open.
May naman ito nakaroon.
1, 2, 3, smile.
Oh. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, miss. Ay.
Very good. Thank you.
Wala siya connection. Hindi na maano.
Look, ma-end na.
Oo. Di-end na. Di-end na si sir. Tapos na sa kuna, wala? Ano ka rin kayo?